If you're looking for a single-story luxury in Summerlin West, you usually have to compromise on yard size or settle for a tight, crowded lot. But today, we're touring a stunning modern estate listed at just under $2.3 million by Yuen Cheung that completely shatters that rule. It sits on a massive, highly coveted corner lot of nearly 14,000 square feet, tucked behind the gates of the Sandalwood community in Stonebridge. When people shop in this price range for recent builds, they expect high-end finishes, but they often get stuck waiting years for a build cycle or dealing with tiny lot premiums, where the neighbors' windows look right into the backyard. Finding true privacy and a turnkey finished backyard at this point in the 89138 zip code is incredibly rare. Let's go take a look. So coming in, you're gonna have high ceilings, a really wide entry hallway, which makes us feel large. You're gonna have windows that overlook the office, which we will take a look at after. But coming in, look at all these windows. There's literally a covered patio that gives you immediate shade, but that is the west, so you're gonna have great sunlight that overlooks that pool. But this is the stunning kitchen. So you're gonna have a huge L-shaped kitchen island with solid countertops. I believe that you probably could fit, I would say, this has 4 bar stools, but I would add more. You're gonna have your kitchen sink on one side of the island, and then you're gonna have your 5-burner Bosch cooktop on the other. Lots of cabinet space, lots of countertop space, and then you're gonna have your oven with your microwave above that. This refrigerator is really cool. It's gonna be a 2-part freezer and then a 2-part fridge, which is amazing if you want to drink. And then, yeah, lots of great counter space here, and then you're gonna have your dishwasher there. So, let's go look at the pantry because we need somewhere to store all that food. So this literally has a huge L-shaped pantry with lots of shelves and space to store all of your electronics. And then you also have a little bar area there that you could do a little coffee bar or alcohol bar. And then this leads out to the 2-car garage. This is a total of 3 cars, but the other car is on the other side of the house. And then you're gonna have, let's go this way and we will check out the primary bedroom. So off of the kitchen, heading into the primary bedroom, what I love is you actually walk into a little retreat. So you're gonna have your small little retreat area where you can sit and read a book or just enjoy the morning, overlooking these beautiful windows that look out to the artificial turf. Literally the coloring out there is incredible. And then this is gonna be the primary bedroom. So you have the option with pocket doors. You can close off or you can keep this open so it feels like one big room, but you have a soaking tub in the middle there, and then you're gonna have lots and lots of counter space with the cabinet on that side, and then over there as well. This is gonna be a storage closet. I love a storage closet in the bathroom, so you can store everything that you don't have space for. And then 2 entrances into the shower. So you're gonna have a shower head there, and then that shower head there. You can also get to it from the other side. This is a really cool walk-in closet. When you walk in, it's one large, but then it's kind of divided by this shelf here. So I'll show you when we go around to the other side. I love literally all of these windows. Bring in so much natural light. This is where your toilet room is going to be. And I love, oh, it has a window in it, which is great. So you can air it out. And then, yeah, another door here. In the shower, you're gonna have a little seat there. And then this is the entrance into the other part of the closet. Pretty cool. Okay, let's go check out the other side of this house. What I love is the primary is on its own separate side, and then all your other bedrooms are on the other side when you walk in. So let's actually look at the great room. So the great room here, we'll go out to the backyard in a minute, but you have, again, lots of windows, and you're gonna have electronic shades that can come down when the afternoon sun is coming in. This is a very large great room which will fit a large sectional, and then you can put your TV on that wall there. This is like a tucked away private office, has 2 entrances, so you don't have to use any of your bedrooms for your home office. You can still feel included. It has the windows, but it's kind of its own separate space, and it overlooks the courtyard. But you're gonna have two entryways into that. But this is the perfect little home office area. And then heading down the hallway is where you're gonna find your other bedrooms. So this is gonna be your powder room that your guests are gonna use. Let's see. So just a little pedal stool, sink, and then a toilet. And then your laundry room is gonna have a sink, which I always love to soak my whites before I wash them. So I love a laundry room sink. And then you're gonna have the washer and dryer. Lots of cabinet space. It's a really large laundry room. And then there's a bedroom over here. And then this bedroom actually is gonna have a bathroom built into it. So you're not gonna have to share with the guests. It has its own, this is perfect for when guests come to stay, and they can just have their bathroom in their bedroom, and then it overlooks the front of the house. That's the 3rd car garage. Okay, this part is going to be your other bathroom. So you're gonna have double sinks, and then has its own door for the toilet, tub shower combination, if you like to take baths like I do. And then this is gonna be one of your other bedrooms. I love the floor kind of to ceiling windows. That it really allows the natural light to come in. When a room feels smaller, but you have that window, all that window, it really opens it up. And so then you just have a double bypass closet there. And then this is your final bedroom here. This bedroom's gonna have an actual walk-in closet, but again, lots of windows. This one has one window that goes all the way to the floor, so lots of light coming in. And then this is gonna be the door that heads out to garage number 3, which could be perfect if you wanna do a home gym. You have that frosted glass, so people can't see in there, but that's gonna be garage number 3. Okay, let's head out to the backyard and check out this oasis. You have the corner lot, so we have lots of space. You can open up these sliding doors, really bring the outdoor living in or the indoor living out. So covered patio, which is great. Also the sun is gonna set in the, I would say the southwest. So this is nice because this is the northwest part of the house. So you're gonna have kind of that extra shade, and then it overlooks this beautiful pool. It's a very large pool, and the length is great. So if you wanted to do laps, and then you have the putting green over on the side, paver walkways. It's really a low maintenance, really luxury looking backyard, lots of open space. And then the neighbors that are behind you are gonna be at a higher level, so you don't feel like they're literally looking straight into your windows. So lots of great windows. You have a little sitting area out here, again with the covered patio, which gives you that shade, so you can spend a lot of time out here. And it overlooks the kitchen, and literally is one big area. Turnkey single stories on premium corner lots in Stonebridge do not last long. If you want a private tour of this spectacular home, or if you want to download our complete Summerlin buyer's checklist, you can navigate all of our schools, our villages like a pro, click the link right below. It's completely free and drops straight into your inbox. Let me know in the comments, would you use the putting green or the spa shower? Don't forget to grab the checklist below, and I'll see you on the next tour.